Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're just going to do an unboxing and then a brief side-by-side comparison of the Ring Video Doorbell 3, which is the last generation, and the Ring Video Doorbell 4. So basically what you're going to see is I'm going to just hold up and do a brief comparison. I'm going to show you the inside, the outside, all four corners of the box so that you can take a look at the Ring Video Doorbell 4. So after I open this up, spend a little bit of time playing with the box and getting it open, I'm just going to quickly show you around inside and outside the box, and then we're actually going to take a look at the different sizes, because there is a different size between the Ring Video Doorbell 4 and its older brother.